So program number 3, just working on the bend and the dip.
That's
so this one really simple.
That's why.
I know it's right. So here you can bend the knees.
That's why.
Just do a double leg one. You can straddle it.
That's
Just do 5 reps with a bit of a hold at the bottom. To make that one harder, go single leg.
We make it
And single leg straight.
Something better.
Just get 5 aside. Then for the dip, all you're going to do is just a chair. 2 chairs is a bit better, so you put your body between them, but just 1 chair is fine. Push all the way up. You get some funny looks doing it at the airport, but I've trained lots of times in the airport. Good fun.
That's why
So 5 of those, really get that nice squeeze between your shoulder blades, so you really open up. The bend pattern will open up those tight hamstrings, and then the dip will open up the chest and activate the back, improve that posture. For the core on that one, really simple, bit lower level, just doing 4-point to 2-point. So this will get some rotational forces going into the spine. So you're just going to do a 10-second hold, decompressing and alternating. So you're really trying to not move the spine or shift the hips or shift the shoulders. Yes. And then with that one you do 6 10-second holds each side. Have a bit of a rest. Do this separate from the other training program, so that way the core's fresher for the bends and the dip. And then for that one, you just do that with a bit of a rest. Do 2 to 3 sets. So that shouldn't take you more than 4 minutes. And wrestle with you. Or you can do the first one and just do 3 rounds, 6 minutes. Oh, you're down. Get it done. No excuses. Keep moving. You could train every day. Just do them 3 in a row, 1 each day, or alternating days. Oh, no throwing Lego.